Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll go over how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, step by step. Recently, I showed how to extend Windows 10 updates until 2026, but if you're ready to move on to Windows 11, this guide will cover all the possible methods, including how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. If you enjoy videos like this, where we talk about Windows upgrades, fixes, and performance improvements, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with the notification bell turned on, so you don't miss future uploads. Step 1. Verify Windows 11 system requirements. Before upgrading, it's important to check if your computer meets the minimum requirements for Windows 11. To do this, search on Google for PC Health Check and download the tool from Microsoft's official website. You'll also find the link in the article below. Once downloaded, open the app. It's portable and installs quickly. Click Check Now, and it will tell you if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. The most important requirements are Secure Boot enabled, TPM 2.0 chip, at least 8 GB of RAM, a 64 GB or larger storage drive, a dual-core CPU. If your system meets these, you're good to go. Step 2. Upgrade via Windows Update. The easiest way to upgrade is directly through Windows Update. Press Windows +I to open Settings, go to Windows Update, then click Check for updates. If your PC is eligible, you'll see a banner that says, Windows 11 version 24H2 is ready. Click Download and install. After installation and restart, your system will boot into Windows 11. From there, you can manually upgrade to the latest Windows 11 version 25H2 for full compatibility and new features. Step 3. Upgrade via Installation Assistant. Another option is using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft's official website. Go to the Windows 11 download page under Installation Assistant, click Download Now. Open the file, allow it to run, and follow the on-screen steps. However, sometimes this method can fail, even if your PC meets all requirements. If that happens, you can use the next method. Step 4. Upgrade via ISO file. If Windows Update and the Installation Assistant don't work, use the Windows 11 ISO file for a manual upgrade. You can get it from Microsoft's official website under Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Once downloaded, either use the Windows 11 Installation Media tool to create a bootable setup, or mount the ISO directly and run the setup.exe file to start the upgrade. This method is more reliable and avoids most compatibility errors. Step 5. Install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. If your computer doesn't meet the official requirements, you can still install Windows 11 using a clean installation. Here's how. Download the official Windows 11 ISO file. Use Rufus, a free tool, to create a bootable USB drive. In Rufus, enable the options to bypass TPM, Secure Boot, and RAM checks. Boot from the USB drive and perform a clean installation of Windows 11. This method completely bypasses Microsoft's restrictions and works on most unsupported systems. Step 6. Alternatives stay on Windows 10. If you don't want to upgrade yet, remember that Windows 10 support is ending soon. However, you can still extend security updates until 2026 using the Windows 10 Extended Security Updates, ESU, program. I covered this in detail in another video. These are all the methods you can use to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, whether your PC is supported or not. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe with notifications on for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.